Hi friends, welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. Today we are going to talk about some useful Bing search features. We all know that Google is the leader in this section, but still some features in Bing makes it more useful than Google. Okay, let's dive into the Bing. First, we talk about our solar system. We can see all planets in motion using the keyword solar system. Here you can see all the planets are moving in the solar system. You can also zoom in or zoom out. You can also see the planet names and its properties in the solar system. Next, we can check some periodic elements by using the periodic table as a keyword. So I'm going to enter periodic table. Here, this brings the periodic table with interactive elements. When you click on any element, it will brings to the element properties of atomic mass, density, group, and some details of its elements. You can also search a single element like nitrogen using the keyword nitrogen element, or simply use an element. And also you can search for any molecule structure using the name of the molecule or its symbol like C2O. Here I'm going to search for the molecular structure of C2O. I'm going to enter C2O. Here you can see the molecular structure of dicarbon monoxide molecule, which brings all of its structure in Bing search result. Next, we jump into some mathematically search keywords. Like we can use multiplication table to open the tables. Like I'm going to open the multiplication table using the multiplication table keyword. This will bring the table max table, which comes with 9 to 9, 10 to 10, 12 by 12, 15 by 15, and also the option to print all these in one page. If you click on this print, it will open the PDF format. You can print it into any paper. Bing also had some cool features for number system. When we search for any number, like in this example, I'm going to search for number 21. I'm going to enter the name like 21 number and search. It will brings the number properties, whether it is prime number or not, or odd number or even, and also give the details of previous numbers and next even numbers, next odd number, previous odd numbers, every property of this number 21. If you are worried about geometry shapes and volumes, you can count on Bing. Here you can get the volume of any shape using the keywords like, here I'm going to search for the volume of cone, which brings the geometry calculator, that is volume P equal to pi r square h by 3, and also give the values. You can enter any values for r value, radius value, and height value, which instantly answer your geometry problem. And finally, Bing also got some cool search features apart from maths and science, like it can also give stopwatch. Here you can get stopwatch, and it also had timer, and Bing also got guitar tuner, which brings the guitar tuning mode in the Bing. You can enter any guitar tuning mode using these buttons. Bing also got some word games, like if you want to find words that start with Q or starts with R, you can count on Bing. Like the search feature is words starts with Q. This will bring this mini interactive box which shows the all frequency of Q words. When you give plus sign, it will give different types of results every time. And still Bing got more cool search features. You can check them for their official website, that is Bing Has Answers. The link is in the video description. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe for more cool tech tips.